Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to Future Phone Flash, your go-to spot for all things cutting edge in the world of mobile technology. I'm your host, diving deep into the latest gadgets, leaks, and innovations that keep our tech appetites hungry for more. Whether you're a smartphone savant, a tablet trailblazer, or just curious about what the future holds, you've landed in the right place. Get ready to light up your tech passion as we explore the marvels of tomorrow, today. Let's get this show on the road and uncover what's next in the dazzling universe of mobile tech. The tech world is buzzing again, and this time it's all about Samsung's latest fitness tracker, the Galaxy Fit 3. Guess what? A hands-on video just leaked, spilling the beans ahead of its official launch. Let's dive into the juicy details, shall we? First off, the design. The Galaxy Fit 3 looks sleeker than ever, sporting a more refined and stylish look that's sure to catch the eye. It's like Samsung took the Galaxy Fit 2 and said, let's make this baby shine. And shine it does, with a slim profile that's not just about looks but also screams comfort. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or just lounging around, this tracker promises to be the perfect companion, barely noticeable on your wrist. Now, on to the features. The leaked video gives us a glimpse of some new and improved goodies packed into the Galaxy Fit 3. We're talking about enhanced fitness tracking capabilities, including more precise heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking that digs deeper into your snooze patterns, and even stress management tools to keep you zen. It's like having a personal trainer, sleep consultant, and mindfulness coach all wrapped up in one sleek device. Battery life? Oh, you better believe Samsung has upped the ante. The Galaxy Fit 3 is rumored to last even longer between charges, making it a dream for those who dread the daily plug-in. Imagine going days on end without worrying about your tracker dying on you. Now that's convenience at its finest. But wait, there's more. The video also hints at improved water resistance, making the Galaxy Fit 3 your go-to gadget for swims and sweaty workouts alike. Plus, with a brighter and more responsive display, glancing at your stats under the blazing sun won't be a struggle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing updates and deep dives into the gadgets shaping our future. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop flashing forward into the tech horizon. Catch you on the flip side.